Make money online using your skills. In today's video, you'll get 9 different ways how you can go and make money using your skills today. I am Ralf Straaberg and this is Make Money Online. Stick with me to the end because I have some extra goodies for you, how you can maximize your income, how you can up those profits and make a good extra money on these websites. So let's go right into it. Make money online using your skills. Here I'll talk to you about how you can make money online using the skills you already have. If you are an artist, if you are a photographer, if you are good at digital marketing, anything like this, here are some ways where you can go and use your skills today and go out and make money and make some extra money on the things you are already good at. So here's how you can make money in 2020 online. Here's how you can make money as a beginner. This is ways to make money online. The one I will start with is Zazzle. Zazzle is a website where you make the products in designs and you put them on different kinds of things. It can be anything from t-shirts to bottles to playing cards to cups, anything you actually like and want. You make the designs, put them on, and then they do the rest for you. Everything else you don't have to do anything about. They do all the production, they do all the shipping, and if there's any problem with the products, they take the returns. So all you have to do is make the designs, put them on the products you want in your shop, and then you get a commission from each sale you make. This is a really nice way and a good and easy way, and you can put anything from photos to artwork you made yourself or text slogans, whatever it is you are into, whatever you like, you can put it on the products they have here, and they have many different kinds of products, so it's something for everybody and it's a good way to make an extra income. And they ship anywhere in the world, so it doesn't matter if you are in America or if you are in Australia or if you are in Germany or wherever you are in the world. You can always make your products and have them sent to everywhere in the world. Another site you might know already is eBay. eBay is probably one of the biggest, most well-known sites on the internet. Everybody knows eBay, knows what eBay is all about. Here you can sell your own products. So here you have to have the products yourself. So if you make your own artwork at home, if you make pottery, if you make paintings, something like this, you can put them on here and you can sell them and you can make a good profit from it. Another site you might know is Redbubble. Redbubble is a bit also like Zazzle. Here you just make the designs and then Redbubble does the rest for you. So you only have to be creative in finding ways to put things to go on t-shirts, to go on water bottles, posters, anything you like, and then they do the rest for you. They do the production and they do the send things to the customers all over the world. So it's an easy way for you to go and already make money from your artwork and things you do. And if you are already on Zazzle, you could also be here on Redbubble because you can put the same designs on any site that is similar like this because it's your designs, you have made them. So you can put them everywhere, and chances are if people don't buy from one site, maybe they buy from another site. So you really don't have anything to lose. You can only optimize your earnings from ways to make money in different websites. Another site that's really well known for people in the community is Etsy. Etsy has a really great store, and it's a store that's really well known for people who make handmade goods. It can be jewelry, it can be leatherware, anything that's handmade. People make from their own creative minds. They put onto an Etsy store and they sell it. And also in like eBay, here you have to have the product yourself, so you do all the selling, and they just put it on the community here in Etsy, and then they buy it from your store in Etsy, and if somebody buys from you, you sell it to the customer wherever they are in the world. So if there's any problem, you have to handle the customer service and the complaints and everything like this. But it's still a really good site. I know personally a lot of artists that use Etsy and have made a good income with Etsy. So if you are an artist, if you have a creative mind, if you are good at something artist related, then this could be a really good way for you to make an extra income. Shutterstock is a well-known site for photographers and for where people go and get if they need royalty-free photos, if they need photos for artwork in and if they need photos in websites, anywhere. A lot of also commercial sites use Shutterstock because they need photos that maybe are unique, that not everybody has. So they go in here and they find photos and they buy them. So if you are a photographer, you can go in here and you can put your photos up here and make a profit from the earnings every time people buy your photos. And if you really want to go and make the big money on Shutterstock, the best way is to make short 10 seconds, 15 seconds, up to maybe 30 seconds videos in 4K. That way a lot of people will use this as B-roll in videos, in commercials, anything like this, and it can be pretty simple. Whatever it is people are doing, it can be something like, let's go in and see what's here in the photo session. If you are in here, you can see maybe something like this. You would go and you would click and see, maybe I would need this on my video. If I have a company, I need this, something like this in our website for a presentation. Then the seller would say, okay, if you need this in a 4K version for your product, for your website, you buy this and you get to pay 149 euros. So you can make a really good amount of money going into a site like this and make extra money. Another site we have touched on earlier also is Amazon Handmade, which is a site only for people who do handcrafts. It has to be something that you make yourself, you put up here. And it can be pottery, if you make your own soap perfume, if you are knitting something, anything like this, leatherware, anything, jewelry, you put it up here and you can sell it and you can make a commission, and it's available across Amazon platform. So this is a good way for you to go out into a market where you really hit a lot of customers at once. A site you maybe not really know too much about is a site called Flippa. Flippa is a site that is really well known, where you can go and sell websites, apps, software, anything like this you make yourself. So if you are really good at making websites, you can make a website, you can make a web shop, anything like this, and you can put it up for sale and then people buy it from you. Another way, you can also go in here if you want, you can go and actually buy the websites here that are for sale, and then you can try and resell them and see if you can make a profit on them. But this is also a way for you to make money. But if you are gifted in the ways of making websites, then this is really a good way to go and make fast income. And they have a lot of different ways. You can see websites, you can make apps for sale, also domains. If you have maybe 3, 4, 5, 10 domains sitting that you think they could really be interesting for people to buy, you can put them for sale here and see if somebody wants to buy them for more than you actually bought them in the beginning. And a lot of different things here, also e-commerce, content. If you're writing content for people, you can also go in here and do like this. And like I talked about, software as a service, if you provide anything like this for sale here, also a good way to make a good commission and make a good money. Some of the websites that are for sale here are websites that are up and running. This means that sometimes the people that sell them want a lot of money because they are already generating a lot of profit. So it's up to you if you want to start your own, or if you have your own website that's already generating money and you want to sell it, you can do it in here. Teespring is a website where you go and you make primarily t-shirts, covers for telephones, hats, bags, things like this with print, and like in Zazzle and in Redbubble, you do only make the designs you want to put on your products, then they do the rest for you. They do the shipping, they do the handling, everything, and you get a commission from the sales that you have made. So it's a nice and easy way actually to make money when you sleep. You just have to make designs for the people who want to buy the t-shirt designs that you are making, and then the rest goes off on autopilot. You just have to make new designs every now and then and keep your shop up to date and look out for what sells and what doesn't sell, anything like this. A good site also is Fiverr. Fiverr has been known a lot for a place where people go if they want to have help in anything digital or graphic work. So if people want to make a logo, or if they want to have a website made, anything like this, they will go here and ask people for help, and they can choose between a lot of different artists who set this for sale and say, okay, I can help you, I can make this for you, I take this and this amount of money to make it, and it takes me so and so long to make. But there are a lot of different ways you can sell here. It does not only have to be logo designs, and it does not only have to be making a website. You can also do voiceovers. It can be translation jobs, it can be transcription jobs, it can be a lot of different things. Sometimes they're also looking for people to manage social media accounts. So if you are really good at doing Facebook groups or managing Pinterest or something like this, then you can actually start to make money doing this from this, and eventually maybe have a full-time income. And I told you I have something extra, something good for you, how you can make good extra money when you are here, how you can make money online, earn money online. Affiliate marketing. If you look at the names here, these websites, Zazzle, eBay, Redbubble, Etsy, Shutterstock, and Amazon, all have affiliate programs. So what this means is, when you are already using these sites, if you have products on Zazzle, on eBay, on Redbubble, on Etsy, on Shutterstock, on Amazon, then you should sign up for their affiliate program. And why should you do that? Because if you do this, then you also make a commission from the affiliate sales. So if you have your own shop, like here, let's say you are on Redbubble and you have your own t-shirt shop where you sell t-shirts, and you have your link made as an affiliate link on your website, in your blog, on your Facebook group or YouTube account, wherever you put your link, and people, they click on that link and they go, and if they buy a t-shirt from you, you get commission both from your t-shirt sales, but you also get an affiliate commission. This is a really great way for you to extra on your sales. And the good thing here is, if you are an affiliate for one of these sites and you send them to your shop, but they don't buy from your shop, they buy from another shop, then you don't get the commission from your shop, but if you get affiliate commission from the other side still, because you have still referred somebody to go and buy stuff on one of these websites. So if you have one of these websites, if you are a user of on Zazzle, if you are a user here on eBay, on Redbubble, if you are on Etsy or Shutterstock or Amazon, I would hurry up and go right away and sign up for an affiliate. What you do is, like, if you are here on a website like Redbubble, and then you will scroll down to the bottom of the web page. A lot of times you will see it down here in the bottom, and here you go and then you click affiliates, and you go into the affiliate site, and then they have the rules for how to make affiliate commissions and how much you can make. You just sign up and join, and then that's how it is. You can see in Redbubble they gave up to 10% commissions and 30-day cookies. 30-day cookies means that if they click on your affiliate link, then they are coded to you with a sticky cookie, and this is valid for up to 30 days. So this is a really good way to make sure. So also, if they were clicking on your link and they went into Redbubble and they do not buy today, but they go back in 1 week and buy, then they're still coded to you and you still get commissions from the affiliate sales. So it's a good way for you to make money, and the same goes for every other side. How they do about the cookies, how long they are sticking to you, the cookies is different for each program. Go in and see what the conditions are to join the affiliate programs on each of these websites. When you go and you make money online, if you go visit any websites, a good thing is always to look for affiliate partnerships, something like this, because this means that if you're already using this website, if you're already using this product, then you can become an affiliate and make extra money. This is a good way for you to make extra money on something you're already using, on something that you know a lot about already. Who better to promote a product and to give advice on something than somebody who is already using the product? I am Ralf Straaberg. This is Make Money Online. Hit the notification bell, hit subscribe if you like what you see here, because I'm going to show you a lot more stuff like this also here in the future.